Babalik po tayo dito sa Sharon. Pero bago ang lahat, mga kaibigan, ang mga mamis dito ay matutuwa po kayo dahil lahat po kayo bibigyan po namin ng mga pasalubong. Ayan, palakpakan po natin. Samantala, Tita Shawi, ang mga staff mo ngayon ay may mensahe para sa iyo. Yan, meron silang ginawang isang awitin. Isang kantahin.
Ginawa nila?
Na isinulat ni Direk Joey Reyes.
Naman!
At inarrange ni Professor Homer Flores.
Oh my gulay naman.
Ayan.
Paka-special naman.
At
Ako
ang
lang makakaklaim yan.
At ang pinakamaganda dito, ang aawit po mga kaibigan, palakpakan po natin ang nag-iisang Miss Casey Concepcion!
Pinasulat po nila yan at by direct
thank you
Joey
mga
Reyes.
ko. Thank you.
And,
Talaga, sobrang ganda naman. Direct Joey, thank you po. Thank you, Case. Thank you, Kuya Homer.
And Tita Homer Flores.
Yes.
Tito Randy, inagawan niyo sa
Hindi.
Anything you would like to say to your mom? Anything very special you would want to say to your mom?
Well, I was very happy to do that song for you because talagang sina-Chris yung EP mo and everyone, the Sharon staff really thought about that song. Talagang pinag-iisipan nila
They're
yung
really
song
my children.
for you because they love you so much. And
I love you!
they
I
want
love you.
to,
Thank you, kids. Thank you.
to know that. And me too, that's also something that I recorded for you also, so you can have a copy at
Thanks
home.
very much.
And
Kate.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I love
Thank you,
so
anak. Thank
much.
you. Happy Mother's Day also to the mothers of every
The
staff
audience.
member of Sharon.
Happy
At
Mother's
sa inyo
Day
lahat
po.
po. And happy Mother's Day also to the mommy of Ian Reyno. Mami Mercy Tolentino, I love you po. Inang Olive. Yan.
At marami pa mga sorpresa sa pagbabalik ng